So I actually don't have to measure here. I could see the ends of it. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 across exactly. And that's for the porch. Now I do have to measure that in case we have to do the trim. So I'm gonna go up and measure that later. So here's where it meets the thing, and there's the valley, and there's the other roof. So let's count this top section. It looks like we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We need 14 sheets, doubled roughly. Now you see some of these pieces, they're just a tiny little piece. That's okay. We could use a doubled amount, and the rest goes into contingency and attic stock. So here's where it meets the roof. We counted this bottom part earlier. So the top part should be the same, but we have a few other pieces here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's take a close look up here. You see it's a small little piece. So let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, and we are supposed to take this ridge cap off and save it because he said you could find it in Minnesota, but it is impossible to find otherwise. And you can notice the rounded edge on the top. Apparently they're very rare because this is a historical building. And so you come up here, and then here is, it appears that they use similar material for the chimney. I believe the contract specs say to reuse it, but they didn't do a really good job. I think we could do a better job. It appears that they're nailed in. Removal shouldn't be too much of a problem. Let's pull the nails out. We got 3 flashings on this side. Well, 3 penetrations. And then we got 1 penetration right there. And then over on this side, we got a bigger penetration right there. So we got to include that in the contract. He mentioned that we can use the rubber ones. We can use the one that you silicone and you put 50 screws in. But these are the penetrations that are on the roof. So let's count this side coming down. Again, this side is doubled up. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We got 14 on that side, doubled up. We'll measure it later. And this is symmetrical. There are 3 ridge cap pieces here, and then there's 1, 2, 3, I believe, ridge cap pieces on this side. So this is quite a simple roof. Now we just have to take measurements for the underlayment, and I'm going to draw that on a piece of paper.